The setup we've got here is an AES running an MVS to AES converter. You can see that there's a memory card inside here, and this is a modified BIOS Unibus. Okay, we've got a few cards here that we're going to be testing out. Okay, so the idea of this patch is to allow the pick and mix to run by default on cold boot, amongst other features. Okay, so now nothing's being pressed. Okay, you can see it's right. It's basically inside pick and mix straight away. Okay, so if we were to reset here, as per usual, there's a typical reset. It goes back to the start of the game, which is allowing us to again reselect the game. Yeah, but now you can warm reset into the traditional 161 in one game menu by holding start. Oops. I'm going here, holding start, and then press A. Yeah. Okay. So of course this is if you want to play all these weird hacks. Some of them are quite amusing actually. That's okay. So we know for the AES, because of the nature of the reset logic provided by the card, it was not written so well. It basically does not work on the AES. And even on the MVS, if you were to have a memory card inserted, you can't reset the game by holding start for 5 seconds. Okay, so let's give this a go. Just to illustrate, KF98 to show that the memory card's inside. Yep. Okay, so it's running. Okay, and then we're going to try to reset again. Okay, hold start, press A. Right. So the thing is, you can, with this patch, you can also go back to the traditional pick and mix mode. Say for example, okay, whatever. Right. When we are in the traditional 161 in one mode, we cannot select the game. Right. I'm holding down the game select buttons. It doesn't work. But if I want to actively reset back to pick and mix mode, what I do is that I bring up the in-game menu again, go to soft reboot, hold select this time round, and press A. Okay. And now we can see pick and mix is enabled. Similarly, you can move back and forth, pick and mix, and 161 in one game menu by going to soft reboot, hold start, press A. No, that didn't work. You will keep start being held. Okay, again to illustrate that the memory card is functioning. Yeah. Okay. So a normal reset just goes to the start of the game. Okay, now we're going to test it on a dedicated AES 161 in 1. Oh, but before that, let's boot up to the 161 in 1 from cold boot. So I press start, or hold start, and turn it on. Yeah. So very simple. Just remember, holding start, either warm reset or cold boot, brings you the 161 menu. Cold boot with pressing nothing goes to the pick and mix menu. Right? And if you happen to be in the 161 in 1 mode, if you want to go to the pick and mix, hold select and then warm reset.